guys, it's your girl Secrets coming at you with another video. And if you're new to the family, welcome. And if you're oldie but goodie, what's happening? What's up? And before we get started, please make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Tell a friend, share. I really do appreciate it. And y'all, without further ado, so I told y'all I wasn't buying no more perfumes, but I have an excuse. So when I did my little perfume haul for my birthday, I had purchased a perfume from Sephora. And they gave me this little, what is this? The Jo Malone London Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne. Little, you know, what do you call this? Like a little, it's a little tube, a sample. So this is, I guess you can only purchase this from Sephora. And this is a wood, sage, and sea salt. Let's see. The notes are nectarine blossom. Oh wait, what am I looking at? Okay, nectarine blossom, honey, peony, suede. Also get sage, sea salt, amberette seeds, and it's basically, it says it's to escape the everyday along the windswept shore, and wrapping sea salt, fresh spirited, whatever. Y'all, when I tell you I used this tube, I was scared to use it because I'm just like, you know, I don't want to use it all. I went on Sephora, the big bottle is always sold out. And then the bottle size below that, it's like $70 or $80 for like a small bottle. And I'm just like, if I'm going to pay close to $100 for a bottle, I'm going to need for it to be at least like a 3.4, 1.7, you know, 1.6, whatever, how ounces goes. And I just didn't want to pay for that. This is not a sponsor video, so, you know, ain't none of that going on. So I'm always on YouTube and I noticed that everybody's talking about Dossier. And I'm just like, I want to see what the hype's about. So I'm just going to buy one perfume. And y'all, they had the Jo Malone. Right here. Baby. So when you open it, y'all, my light is going bananas. Hold on, y'all. Sorry about the malfunction. So when you open this, it says iconic scents, designer quality, and no markups. And then it gives you this little card, and there's actually say woody sage. The top notes are fig tree, grapefruit. Middle notes are marine notes and beretta. Base notes are clary sage and amberwood. Inspired by Jo Malone Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne. And it says like the concentration is 18%. Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury-inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for trying, or giving us a try. Y'all. So they give you a card that lets you know what's the, you know, the different tones, undertones, scents, the notes, and then it lets you know what it's inspired by. So after you look at the card, it comes like this in a bottle. And they don't do samples. I guess back in the day they used to do samples and you can try the sample and it gets the big bottle. Y'all, they don't do that anymore. So here it says the notes. It says Dossier and woody sage. And the bottle is 30. And what is this? This is a 1.7 fluid ounces. And, you know, they got the magnetic thing that everybody be talking about. Forget all of that. Let's see if it smells how it's supposed to smell. So we're going to do a smell test. Now you say it got the same notes. So we're going to take Dossier. Y'all see? Y'all, my light. I don't know why it's acting up today. It's being a hater for real. Let me see. Uh-oh. Let me try to... Oh, well, we still have to do it. So we put Dossier over here. And we're gonna put Jo Malone right here. So we gonna figure it out. And my light just went out. Oh, it smells so good. I love this scent, y'all, but I just could not commit buying that little bottle. Let me let it dry down for a little bit. So while that's drying down, I'm up here moving my arms like a chicken. How y'all doing? How was your holiday? How's your weekend? How's your day going? Also, guys, drop down in the comments. What do you want to see? What type of content would you like to see? Would you like to do a question, like a Q&A type thing? Do you have questions you would like to ask? Do you want me to do a story time? I got a juicy one coming up. But yeah, like what kind of stuff do you want to see? Like a try-on haul? Y'all just gotta let me know. So this is a Jo Malone. See how this smells good. Y'all, this smells just like it. No cap. Like, it smells very close, very close. It smells very close. Now, it's a slight, just slight, a thin hair of a difference. But it's spot on. Like, I would rather use this Dossier. Yeah, I like this spray. I'm a oversprayer. Y'all, this smells so good. I'm glad I purchased this because I sprayed too much. I sprayed it in my nose. But y'all get the point. This smells so good. Like, I'm still gonna keep this little vial though. Like, I can put this in my purse, a little overnight thing, toilet bag. Yeah, y'all, we got the real thing versus the dupe. So I just had to put y'all on. You know, I might order some more stuff, might not. I don't know, because I want to try that Gucci Bloom. I think I might get the Gucci Bloom. But y'all, here we go. We gotta do. And I'll see you guys on the next video.